Welcome to another episode of As an American. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. When someone says that to you, what does it mean? Do I have to have different baskets and kind of distribute the eggs in each basket? No. The eggs can mean anything like your assets, your efforts, or your work, your career. It can be anything. So don't put all your efforts in one thing. Think outside the box. Use strategy to do whatever you have to do. But don't concentrate in one thing and put all your luck, your success, your hope in one thing. So you understand it, right? Don't put all your eggs in one basket.